How to order made-to-measure blinds and tracks at Evans Textiles. Welcome to the Evans Textiles website, the home of great value, high-quality soft furnishing and window covering products. The Evans Textiles website is an exclusive trade-only online platform that makes ordering your made-to-measure tracks and blinds easier than ever. All you need to do is visit www.evans-textiles.com and log into your account to start building your made-to-measure window blind or curtain track system. Once logged in, simply navigate to Made to Measure on the main menu on the website. From here, you'll be able to select on the drop-down whether you wish to create a made-to-measure track or measure blind. Build your made-to-measure curtain track or blind. There's a wide choice of quality systems available for your made-to-measure configuration. From simple manual systems to state-of-the-art motorization, our website takes you through each system and a wealth of options for you to perfectly configure your system. Build your perfect system by answering simple, straightforward questions. The system will intelligently begin building your track whilst calculating the cost to ensure you get an accurate price. For illustrative purposes, we'll configure a motorized made-to-measure curtain track so you can see the functionality at play. Simply press Configure on any made-to-measure item on the website to begin building your system. By pressing this button, a separate window will appear with our bespoke made-to-measure platform, which has a series of questions with accompanying images designed with logic to ensure we have the right level of detail to build your system precisely. We recommend answering all questions relevant to your configuration to ensure zero errors occur. Before we start, there's a few straightforward buttons to be aware of. The Previous button allows you to go backwards to make an amend to a previously answered question, and Continue allows you to proceed to the next question. Click Clear Configuration to restart your track over. Press Exit to cancel out of creating a made-to-measure item and return to your basket. So, let's begin. The first question allows you to enter a room reference or enter any special instructions you may have within the text fields provided. Next, enter your system size in centimeters. The following set of questions vary dependent on the made-to-measure system you've selected and options selected. But most questions provide multiple choice drop-down options, such as the position of the stack, spools or carriers required, bracket preferences, motor choices, and any optional extras such as remotes, switches, or hubs. On selected questions such as quantity of brackets, the system provides flexibility to you to enter your own number required for a project should you require more than our standard offering. Look out for custom quantity or fields whereby you can add your own answers to truly tailor your system. Once you've completed your made-to-measure item, simply select Save and Exit, which will add your system to your basket for checking out. Should you wish to duplicate the product and make changes, simply click Save and Copy, which will add your system to the basket, but allow you to stay within the system to create another. It's a speedy way to make changes such as to size, color, and more without going through the whole configuration. This will save you lots of valuable time. Once you've finished your made-to-measure item and pressed Save and Exit, you'll be redirected to the basket. And don't forget to redeem the code Evaglide within this section to receive your exclusive online discount.